folks, how are you today? Strat, Andriotis here. Hope you're having a great day. I'd like to mention that my album, Remember Me At Twilight, is out. Okay, so if you get a chance, have a listen. Alright, today we're going to go over some diminished bridge chords. What I mean by bridge is it's a chord that leads into another chord, that bridges into another chord. Okay, we'll also do some solo phrases over top just to give you an idea how it works. Alright, so without hesitation, let's begin. Alright folks, so let's go over what happened there, okay? So let's start off with the chords first. Okay, so we have E minor 7. That's the first chord, okay? And then the second chord is E diminished 7. Okay? Then we're off to D major 7. Okay? And then we're up to D sharp diminished 7th. Okay? So there's your chords we're working with. Alright. Okay, and here are the scales you can use. Like what I was using the scales and I was using some chromaticism as well too. But start you off with the scales is a good way. Alright, so on the E minor 7, we got this here. Okay, so we're hitting all those arpeggios, right? Basically the Dorian. Right? And then we go into the bridge. There's the bridge chord. E diminished 7th. And we have this now. Alright, those nice diminished 7th licks. Okay. And then we're off to the D major 7. Alright. Let me have your D major 7 arpeggios. Alright, you can also use chromaticism, right? Okay. And then we go to the D sharp diminished 7th. Okay. Alright, and then back to the E minor 7. Okay. You can also play different inversions of that progression too, but that's I think it's a good progression to show you how some of these diminished 7ths make nice bridges. It just changes a little bit, gives you a little bit extra color when you're playing and you're phrasing, right? Right? Instead of going, we go. Okay, so I played a B minor 9th there instead of a D major 7th. Sorry, I substituted that. So sorry about that. Anyhow, folks, so I hope you got something out of this today. I'll have sheet music and tabs coming your way as well. Hey folks, thank you so much for watching this segment. If you did enjoy this segment, please subscribe, throw me a like, leave me a comment. All right. Also like to mention one more time that my album Remember Me at Twilight is out. And if you get a chance, please have a listen. All right. So until next time, have yourself a great day, and I'll see you soon.